Hi, I'm Andy Hudden. I'm the head of Anton Bauer. And it's my pleasure today to introduce you to the Anton Bauer Eden. This is our new unit. It's 2.5 kilowatt hours capacity, 2.5 kilowatts output at 120 volts. It has a big display, which gives you all the runtime information. Now, unlike other units out there, this can both charge and discharge at the same time, which enables you to use it as a UPS. You can either plug in solar into the back, because it does have a solar input, so you can elongate the use when it's out in the field, and it's a pure sine wave output. So it works perfectly with all your audio and other sensitive electronics. It's also IP65 rated, which means you can leave it in the rain, paired up with the light panels, Astra IP, and you do not have to worry about it. This is designed for set life and production. Along with all the other goodies, it charges in just over 3.5 hours at this minute. The rails that you can see can be used to carry it and also for tie down, or you can place it in a DIT cart to charge batteries, run other equipment, etc. It is a very small, compact solution. It is available now, and I hope you enjoy trying it.